The most engaging stories are the ones that guide attention naturally from beginning to end. Today, how to create connected storytelling layouts. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Begin with a soft gray background and apply a subtle gradient for depth. Insert 5 rectangular frames and arrange them in a flowing sequence across the design. Upload your images and place them into each frame, adjusting crops carefully so the narrative develops smoothly. Increase the size of the central frame slightly to create a focal point. Add thin connecting lines between frames and reduce their opacity to keep them understated. Apply